Welcome to my channel. Find a, b and c. First equation is ab is equal to 3. Second equation is bc is equal to 6, and third one is b and ca is equal to 8. Now before coming to the solution, please like and subscribe the channel and guide me in the comment section. First of all, we multiply equation 1, 2 and 3. Then a b into bc into ca is equal to 3 into 6 into 8. Now a, b and this ba is also equal to ab into c, c square is equal to 3 into 6 into 8. Now the value of this ab is equal to 3. This value of ab is also 3 into c square is equal to 3 into 6 into 8. Now c square is equal to 3 into 6 into 8 over 3 into 3. C square is equal to 3 is cancelled with 3. 3 to the 6 is equal to 2 into 8. C square is equal to 16. C is equal to, taking square root of both sides, C is equal to plus minus 4. Now from equation 2, from equation 2, BC is equal to 6. Then B is equal to 6 by C. Then is equal to B is equal to 6 over plus minus 4. Then B is equal to plus minus 2 to the 4, 2, 3 the 6, 3 by 2. Now from equation 1, from equation 1, AB is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 over B. Then A is equal to 3 over value of B plus minus 3 by 2. Then A is equal to 3 into plus minus 2 by 3. 3 is cancelled with 3. A is equal to plus minus 2, which is our third answer.